A cylinder of diameter 60 mm and axis length 70 mm is resting on its base on HP. It is cut by an AIP inclined at 40 degree to HP and bisecting the axis. Draw the development of retainer base of the portion. Now the sentence, a cylinder of diameter 60 mm axis length 70 mm is resting on HP. It tells us the solid is vertical, its axis is perpendicular to HP, so the top view will be a circle of diameter 60 mm. So first draw the top view. Name to the views. Divide a circle into 12 equal parts. This is the center point OP. Axis. Divide a circle into 12 equal parts. Name the parts as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, and 12, 12. Now, as we know, this point OP is axis. Now we have to draw the front view. Project this axis OP. This is the XY line. Take a distance. What is the height? Height is 70 mm in compass. Mark the point. Project the rectangle from the top view. Project all the projection, that is 2, 2 to 12, 12. This is the projection that we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. Name it as the front portion. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is the front portion 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash is the back side portion, which is nearer to the VP. Similarly, top face point 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and 12 dash. This is also the axis O dash P dash. Now the action of the cutting plane is exactly at the center, bisecting the axis, that is at a distance of 35 mm from the base. The total distance is 70. This is the action point at a degree of 40 degree. Take the 40 degree, draw the cutting plane line. This is the dark portion, that is the retained portion of the object. Name the cutting action lines on the generator. This will be the P1 This will be P2 and P12. This will be your P3 and P11. This will be point P4 and P10. This is a point P5 and P9. This is a point P6 and P8. This is a point P7. Just added the P number to the same for 7, 7, P7, for 8, 8, P8. Now, what is the development of the basic cylinder? First, I will take a 10 mm distance apart here. I will mark point 1 here. Draw a vertical line. What is the height? Height of the development is equal to the height of front view. It's the same height. What is the length of the development? Length of the development is equal to pi d, 3.14 into 60, which is equal to 1884 mm. Take a distance of 1884, this will come at here. This is the blank that is required to form the cylinder of a height 70 mm and diameter 60 mm. Now divide this, as we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, divide this total length of the blank into 12 equal parts so that one part will be for 15.7 mm. Take a 15.7 mm in compass, divide these parts. Name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. This is the part 1, 2, 3. Draw the vertical lines. Name it as stuff as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1. So total 12 parts we have developed. Now transfer this point P1 to P7, P12 in the blank of the front to the development. Where the P1 is acting, draw the projection line. Faint projection line on the blank of development from the front view. Now P1 is acting on the vertical generator 1-1, so mark it on the generator 1-1 on the blank, that is development. This is the 1-1, P1. This is P2 and P12. This is 2-2. So here will be the P2. Here will be the P12. This will be P3, 3-3, P3. And this will be P11. P4. And this will be your P10. This will be your P5. 155 and P9, 99, here also 99. This is a P6 on 66, and this is a P8, and this is last point, that is P7. Now join this curve P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12 and P1. Now this is the retained portion, this is the dark portion. So make this base portion as a dark portion. Okay.